Mirage. Can you give Mirage that big fat A? Because of the not because of the six, but the quick attacks on Mirage's Scythe is just insane. So as the spit. I might get this one an S. Now I might put this in the lead of no Val. This is amazing. I might put this because I might do this because bruh Cassidy mistake with the gun is very strong. So was the down sig with the grapple hammer. It's just amazing. All of it is amazing, except the side sig with the grapple hammer and the side sig on the gun. So yeah. Next, as you know, it's easy to combo with if you just quick attack by itself when you just press it and NSIG, which sends that player flying to the earth is on bad health actually. So it's a little bit easy to use. It can be complicated for some people, but people like me, I can kind of use Scythe prop properly, properly to the Codex as well, straight us, and it's gonna be in the lead of Oshong and everyone else. So what's next? Because I like the way how and the SIGs that uses is just amazing. Like you see how Sandstorm plays. Sandstorm plays insane. So as you can see, I put everything to video. Look at my mouse. See, I did some adjustment. Toy Queen Eye, Scarlet, and Magyar. A, as well as the rest. Zoe, Rayman, Petra, Vector, Volkov, Voltrax, Jurian, Maker, and Reno on S as well as the others. So yeah, goodbye guys.